Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Esther and this is my first vlog video. Good morning guys. So it's actually Sunday and I started to edit the video yesterday, but I realized that the intro was not really that good, so that is the reason why I'm talking right now. And I was actually going to film some stuff I did at school, but I felt that it wasn't really safe to bring my camera to school, so I filmed with my phone instead. But when I come home, I realized that the quality of the videos was not really that good because I filmed with my phone. But maybe in the future I can do a video like a day in my life or something like that. So let's get the real video started. So I usually don't wear makeup, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes, brush my eyebrows, and then moisturize my lips. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm having a ponytail, and I'm wearing this basic t-shirt that I got from thrift store, and I'm also wearing this sweatshirt, I think it's called, and these jeans. Okay, so I just got home from school right now, and we're gonna go on a trip right now for a day or so, yeah. Okay, so I finally arrived to my friend's house and we're gonna eat dinner right now, and it's currently 7 p.m. I think. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face right now, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So see you guys tomorrow! Good morning everyone, it's 10:07. I'm gonna vlog more today than I did yesterday because I had nothing to vlog about except my morning routine. But I'm gonna vlog more today, as I said earlier. At 3 p.m. I'm gonna play volleyball just for fun, so yeah. This building was made in the early 1900s, and this building was some kind of furnace, and they used to melt metals in there. There have actually been two furnaces here before. The first one was made in the late 1700s. Then about 60 years later, they built a new furnace that was more efficient than the one before. The one that we see now is the one that was made in the early 1900s. So I changed my clothes. We're going to the volleyball hall right now. Okay guys, so we stopped at a Thai restaurant, and I'm sorry if I mispronounce it, but I ordered Thai Kai. It comes with some chicken, peanut sauce and rice. So that was my very first short vlog, and it wasn't that special either. But my next video will be longer than this. Anyways, I hope you guys like this vlog, and I will probably upload my next video next week. Bye guys!